How to replace the B-pillar trim in your 2007 to 2014 Escalade, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and similar GM trucks. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Okay, before I start removing the B-pillar trim, the first thing I'm going to do is recline the driver's seat, just to make it a little easier to get to at the top. The next step is to use a pry tool and remove the plastic cover. So with the cover off, we can get to the 7mm bolt that's on the right side here. There's actually no bolts on this side. So use a 7mm socket and ratchet to remove the bolt. Just going to use a magnet to get it out. The next step is to remove this plastic cover using a pry tool. The cover just pops off. We'll need to remove this top bracket for the seat belt, and you're going to need a T50 Torx bit to get it out. So now the seat belt's out, you can just move it down and out of the way. And now we can actually pull off the top part of the trim. There's no need to remove the handle from this model. Now there are two pins right here, so I'm going to need to pull it out at the bottom, and this top portion should come off. So here are the two pins that I pulled out from here, and then this is the one clip that's in on the left side, and it comes out. So with the top part out, you can now focus on the bottom. We can see that it's loose at the top. So I have the seat in an upright position and I have it moved forward. So to remove the rest of the B-pillar, we just need to pull up the trim from the front driver's door so we can get this trim out. And also, we need to come around to the driver's side rear door and lift up on this trim, and we should be able to pull this out. And just like that, the bottom part of the B-pillar trim comes out, and you can see from the back side there were two clips at the top. We come down, there's a couple alignment pins at the bottom and places where it slots in at the bottom. So this is the top portion, and this plastic part actually slides up and down as you adjust the height of the seat belt. But if you need to remove this, you actually can. When you push down on it, it stops right here. Just simply lift it up past the stop, and you can go ahead and slide this all the way out, just like that. There's no need to disturb the seat belt when doing this, so I'm just going to leave everything connected. Of course, we'll need to bolt this back in once we put everything back together, but the installation process is just the reverse of the removal. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.